In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy subtasks from one task to another in Asana. This is a really handy trick if you find yourself creating the same sets of subtasks over and over again, and you want a faster, cleaner way to reuse that work without manually retyping everything. In this walkthrough, we're going to focus on the quickest method for copying subtask titles only. That means we're not copying descriptions, assignees, or due dates, just the names of the subtasks themselves. This is perfect when you have a checklist you want to reuse across multiple tasks. First, open the task that already has the subtasks you want to copy. This is sometimes called the source task. You can do this from any project view in Asana, list, board, or calendar. Just click on the task to open its details pane on the right side of the screen. Make sure you can see the list of subtasks underneath the main task title. Next, you're going to highlight the text of all of those subtask titles with your mouse. To do this, click just before the first subtask's name, hold down your mouse button, and drag down until you've selected every subtask title you want to copy. You should see the text become highlighted as you drag. Take a moment here to make sure you're only selecting the titles themselves, not any other surrounding text. Once everything is highlighted, copy the text. On Windows, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. On a Mac, press Command+C. This copies all of those subtask titles into your clipboard, keeping each one on its own line, which is exactly what Asana needs to automatically create multiple subtasks. Now open the task where you want these subtasks to appear. This will be your destination task. Just like before, click on it so the task details open up and you can see its content. It doesn't matter whether this task already has subtasks or not. The process is the same. Inside the destination task, click the Add Subtask button. You'll usually find this just under the main task title or in the Subtasks section. As soon as the first subtask field appears and your cursor is active there, paste the text you copied earlier. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. On a Mac, press Command+V. Asana will automatically convert each line of text into its own subtask, instantly recreating your checklist in the new task with just a single paste.